Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to today's video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to get unlimited YouTube AdSense post approved. So I'm going to walk you through the step by step on how you can approve YouTube posts. So make sure you watch the video to the end, don't skip any parts. And after the video, if you have any question, you can drop it down in the comment section, and I'm going to link my WhatsApp numbers in the description below so that you can reach me through WhatsApp. So I'm going to show you how you can approve YouTube host for any countries. Maybe you are from Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, any country you are, you can easily approve the YouTube host with our channel. So as you can see, this is one of my AdSense I got approved. So let me show you the mail. This is the mail here. As you can see, this is the mail. So let me show you when I apply for the AdSense. So I applied for the AdSense, I think yesterday, and I got approved within 6 hours. So I got approved within 6 hours. As you can see, this is YouTube for Nigeria. So let me show you another one. Let me quickly show you another AdSense I got approved. Let me show you. So let me show you another country AdSense I get approved. So let me click on the payment info. So as you can see, this is AdSense for YouTube. So it is YouTube host for Ghana. So you can approve for Cambodia, Bangladesh, India, and any other countries with this method I'm going to show you. So let me quickly move on to the videos now. So you want to approve any AdSense, what you need is you need to create your Gmail, maybe fresh Gmail and OTP. So after then you need a working script. And if you want to get a working script, you copy the script when you apply for monetization on YouTube. So you can just copy the link from there. So I'm going to copy this because I already have this link. So when I click on copy, I'm going to come here and paste. So I'm going to launch it. And don't forget, when you copy this link, it expires after 24 hours. So now you have to log in your mail first. So I have couples of mails on this, my PC. So I'm going to select one. So let me quickly use this one to create the AdSense. So as you can see, I'm going to, I think I have AdSense on this mail before. Let me use another one. I have AdSense on this mail. Let me use, I think I have AdSense on this also. I have AdSense on this one. So let me just create a fresh Gmail account. Let me quickly create a fresh Gmail account so that I can use it for this tutorial so that I can understand. So let me click on use another account. So let me just go to create account. Let me quickly create a new Gmail account. So I can create with name. Maybe I can name it James Martin. So I'll click on next. If you have a Gmail account before, you don't need to create any other Gmail, but it is because I don't have any Gmail account left with me. I think I've used everything. So make sure you use the year above 18 years. So you need 18 years old above. So let me quickly create the mail now. So let me quickly type on James Martin. So let me click on next. Okay. Let me get, it says James Martin 665. I think this is okay. So let me quickly set the password. So let me click on next. So it is asking for a phone number. So let me quickly input the phone number. So I'm a Nigerian, so I'm going to input my Nigerian number there. So this is one of my numbers, not my official number. So I'm going to receive the code. So I'm waiting for the code. I'm waiting for the code. So now the code enters. So it says add a recovery. I don't need a recovery number, so I'll just keep it. Add phone number. So I'm going to add this phone number. Yes, I'm in. Next. So don't forget, I'm using this to create a Google AdSense account. So I'm waiting for it to load. So now, this is, as you can see, this is the mail we want to use. I'm going to click on yes. Now I'm going to select the country I want to apply. So if you want to apply for Nigeria, you are going to click on Nigeria. If it is Pakistani, you have to click on Pakistan. So I'm applying for Nigeria. So let me quickly search for Nigeria. So I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to read all these and accept. So after that, I'm going to scroll down. And I'm going to click on create account. So I'm waiting for it to load. So I'm going to fill the form. So I'm going to fill the address. So after I fill the address now, I can decide to skip the second one. So I'm going to fill this. I'm going to fill the postal code. And I'm going to select the states. So after then, you can add phone number and it is optional. You can, if you decide not to add, you can leave it. Then you click on submit. So as you can see, it's going to redirect me. So within 7 to 7 days, from 7 hours, they are going to give you a message. Maybe they approve or they reject within 7 hours. So guys, that's how you can create unlimited YouTube AdSense. But I have a method I'm using. whereby you can approve multiple AdSense. So let me quickly show you this, whereby you can approve multiple AdSense. But that one is a premium. If you need a premium, you can contact me on my WhatsApp in the description below. So I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step on how you can create unlimited Google AdSense, YouTube AdSense account. As you can see, this is one. Let me open one. This is on review. This is one. This is still in I think it is still in review because I applied. Let me quickly check. So that you can see that it is 100% working. Let me check this. The network is a bit slow, so that's why. So maybe let me open another one. It is loading. This is approved. This is loading. This is also loading, and this is loading also. As you can see, this is approved. The network is too slow. This is approved. I'm waiting for this to load. This is approved also. So guys, if you want to reach me, you can reach me on my WhatsApp. I'm going to guide you step by step on how you can create unlimited YouTube AdSense account. So see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.